So guys, welcome back to my channel. Let me tell you all, I just looking out my house there and I see boy water all over the road. Let me show you guys that. Let me tell you all, not less TV, we outside, yeah. Hi Cheyenne, we outside. Let me show you all. Guys, so my royalty people watching this vlog, that's the reason why I couldn't come to work. It is flooding and I'm scared for my life. Abacako flood. So where that water come from, boy?
Look there, right there, and it went through there and coming so. Because the water got flowing, we don't get because they block there. So the water flowing coming so.
You got a full?
Make sure you have that, and I want that footage, let me show my boss. Come, let's go. Let's go.
Let me tell you all.
Come, El. Come.
Village life, people. Hey, you happy? You happy? That is why I say I go and look for my crabsy boy. That's the rolling man. People, let me tell you all.
That's why I tell us, scrubby bugs. Not to go to
Hey, Jesse, you just levé? Avec tout ça qu'a fait, moi, je tea bacon and cocoa tea make a fella. People, so this is
water. Yes, guys.
it's backing up. That water so salt. What?
Getting higher.
It coming higher. Eh? The water coming higher. Hi, Shasha. Huh? Who just left it? Cause bacon cocoa tea make a cafe like now. And the water coming higher, Imoba. A while ago it wasn't so higher. Hey, selector. The water cold too, eh? I putting you on my camera. I see you too sexy. Yeah, man, you too sexy, man. It coming higher, people. Watch out. Il can monter. Ça là, il s'est passé au coin. That fuck up. I'm telling you, bro. Where? Where they block?
The bridge. By the bridge there.
Okay. So all at the back there fully? By the toilet? So it seems as... Sam! People, I'm in my tower, let me tell you all. Hey. We can't like the rain again, huh? I feel easy. You can't pass to go work, bruv. Stay inside. Antonia say all behind there fully. And that water extra cold. They say as they building the bridge, they block the river, so you know what? Hey, the water looking for a place to pass there. Hey, Garesa. Watch that, people. Everywhere floody, boy. So where that water pushing from, boy? People, let me tell you all. So that is from at the back by David and Demi. Blah! Ula kata ina aplicato be? Pull, 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 pull. That's making a messy. David, you have to stay inside today, bro. So guys, if you're watching, that is where it's him tonight. I go be able to catch 2 crab if Kenny here, sir. D. Kalte ba isayo me wadala? For sure. Yeah. At the back. He fucks boy. Boy, Baker is sale. A Baker making. Yeah, with them pieces of galvan. Okay. Alright, I seen it. Yeah, people, like the vibe. Yeah, so I try and make my way back home and make my bakes. I just making the bake. I seen ya, sir. Water. What?
And what rain?
What rain?
What rain? That's
Okay. Morning.
You know why the river, you know why we getting water so?
The thing they block.
They backfill, and they backfill in the river.
But the water looking high there, boy.
It backfill in the river.
Let me go. I go on the bridge and see if I could get a little piece of thing. Have a blessed Sunday, eh? As you say, take care in the water there. Let me.
They have a piece of galvan, I told you.
I see it. Wait. People want that in my feet. Good thing I stopped walking there. Why? Yeah. I feel it. Yeah, people, we're going back. But the water coming higher and higher, and it's not even raining again. Papi, show them people doing a cigar, sir. I tell you, all by Agnes, they flood, ma'am. Flood. You alright, take water? Yeah, people, we there is the bad done, yeah?
Yeah.
We out. Yeah, we outside, people. Let me tell you, I'm in my towel and it's flooding. Let me tell you all, everybody have to move their vehicles, move their vibe. I in my towel, eh? And I don't know, I'll do my bakes, watch out. And I just see the flooding going on, and then I say, boy, let me go and take that. Yo! Yes, people, so I'm going back home, but I have to go by the bridge and take the shots for you all. Take care of me, Shem. Let me cross. It's coming up, guys. It's coming up. Let me tell you all, the water is coming up. Sam, you have to move that way, boy, for water going in your vehicle. It's getting higher, eh? It's getting higher. Water just there pumping from behind by the Miana there. Galvanized coming in. It gets higher. Yeah. Antonia said they're underwater at the back there too. Yeah. Ah, careful in the water. Look, I can't get my. It's raining out here. And they're building a new bridge. So you all don't know already. You have to suffer the consequences of the new bridge, okay? Trust the process. Everybody's in the water. Some people are flooded already. You know, I was just making some bakes, and then I see the water, so I said, let me come out. But people, the water is not safe, trust me. Because I just come from there, and as you could see, galvanized and everything in the water. So We cannot wait for that bridge to finish, okay? Trust me. Big up yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. We're outside. What else, TV? In your have a lottie? The water coming higher, eh? Yeah, man. Yeah, people, we go and eat up this scheme, yeah? We're on the streets. Okay, it's very early. It's about what time? I cannot get a time check. How you want all that not in the yard saving me? The water coming higher, eh?
Come there.
I like the water. I like the water.
Where is the boat?
You have water in the yard there?
I want the water to come.
People, let me tell you, we're in the yard there, we're in ancillary. Hey, Beatrice. Hey. Water, people. Water on all sides. On all sides.
Rain, come, rain.
Body.
I already tell you not to put me in the
I saw my stuff.
Pièce gloire qu'a fait, ou belle gloire. Comment c'est Philippe JP et puis? Ouais, mais c'est dit que la police et gouvernement body. Dit que la police et gouvernement. Even when it's raining, it's the government. You try and clock in? We call clocker boy. In them kind of time, people, let me tell you, when this happens, we have to stay home because we have our house leaking. Boy. Hey. Caution, eh? Me go and see what's going on, people. Ahoy!
The river is high.
Hi.
Yes, sir. Caution, you have to be careful. Don't come in there.
Okay. Let me go on top of it. Hey, if I naked the water, so God put me there. If God put me there. So I could just go naked. Hey, not so I born her. Y'all afraid for nakedness? Y'all already yet in the life. Yes, love. Boy, they have a kind of water at the back there. That shifting galvanizing, huh? The mister, if you pack. If you drive, I may call a Sukote. Puesakalia. People careful on the bridge, eh? Tout by the sunny. So guys, this is the bags shift. Yes, people, so they're building a new bridge for us, and this is the side effects of it for the time there. Yeah. Vicky, Tibouk flooding, eh?
Do I care? Now she goes in the back. Oi. Come outside.
Go start here, Roach. The bags, where the bags was? Yo. Let's roll, Saba. Let's go. Saglo Akafo. C'est pas nettoyé, c'est des ponts.
Des ponts, on doit monter par ça là.
First time we see the water get so high around here. And in people house it going. In people house is low. You all know this scheme already. You all know how it stay. All in the yards. Huh? That's Wayne, guys. He's just going at his home. Watch how we going at his home. Watch that, watch that. Careful when galvanized move from by Damiano. Eh? No, down on the ground. Remember the old galvanized they are there? Yeah, man. That you wanted to do?
Too mute, voila.
You too mute for that. So what the water do you can eat?
The water gonna do me nothing. Why is saying that's why I call in to see.
To see if I wanted to come by your estate.
Yeah, something, but you know what I'm saying.
You sleep well last night?
Properly.
That's your business.
It's not big money.
Big up Lucian Gem one time.
Yeah, big up Lucian Gem one time. Go like, share, and subscribe. And leave a comment.
That's all, yeah, Nadia. Let me tell you, rain this morning.
Yeah. I love you.
The water just go down.
I love you.
But Kenny,
Yeah, I love my friend. I forget her name.
Della,
I love you. I love you. Big up you. Pachi, I let you know. Go back where I'm easier.
Yeah.
even El Bell.
Yeah, good on this bum